Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I'll show you how to enable the night mode. So there's in a way two different ways you can do it. Number one would be the blue light filter, which is right here, and it will reduce the blue light as the kind of name states. You can also hold it and it will take you to the settings of it. And from here you can choose the intensity of it. And also set a schedule so it turns on automatically, let's say somewhere when you're going to bed. That's probably where this option is the most useful. Not strain your eyes so much when you're laying in bed without like any light on, and it helps you to fall asleep later on. So this is the first one, and the second one, let me disable that though, is basically making everything like the backgrounds for notification and settings black. And to do it, you need to go into the settings, so let's do that. And then under the display, you will find night mode right here. Switch it on and everything goes black like this. As you can see, it stays black. Now also there is a way to, let's say, change the colors from the blue to have something else. But that's going through themes, and you can just open up the Samsung app and find some themes that you like there, and it will also change the colors that it uses. So that is the two ways you can enable the night mode on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.